Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to stretch images and videos in CapCut. So if you also want to stretch images and videos in CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure to import the image or video that you want to edit. You can see over here, I've already imported it. If you do not know how to import, simply click on the import option that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to import the videos or photos. So simply import the images or videos over here. Now after importing the images or videos, if you want to stretch the image or video, for that what you have to do is look at this section. Over here, you'll be able to find several options like video, animation, adjustment, AI stylize, etc. So make sure video option is selected. Once the video option is selected, over here you'll be able to find the options like basic, remove busy, mask, retouch. Make sure basic option is selected. Now over here what you have to do is find the option for uniform scale. You can see the option for uniform scale over here. Right now you can see this option is toggled on. What you have to do is toggle off this option. Now after that, you'll be able to find the option for scale width and scale height over here. So if you want to stretch the width, for that what you have to do is increase the scale width. For that, simply drag the scale width like this. In order to increase, you have to drag it to the right. In order to decrease, you have to drag it to the left. Now if you want to stretch the scale height, simply increase the scale height over here. You can also decrease it. So like this, you'll be able to stretch images and videos in CapCut. So that is how you stretch images and videos in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.